Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the BingX exchange. If you're exploring the world of cryptocurrency trading, understanding your options is crucial, and BingX is certainly a platform worth considering. BingX is known for its user-friendly interface and a plethora of trading options. From spot trading to futures, and even social trading, BingX offers a versatile array of features that cater to both beginners and experienced traders alike. With its advanced trading tools and real-time market insights, BingX empowers you to make informed decisions and stay ahead in the ever-evolving crypto market. One of the standout features of the BingX exchange is its commitment to security. The platform employs top-notch security measures to ensure your assets and personal information are well protected. Rest assured, your trading experience on BingX is both safe and reliable. Now, let's talk about the amazing benefits of signing up. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you unlock exclusive incentives that enhance your trading journey. Not only will you gain access to enticing trading bonuses, but you'll also be part of a vibrant community where you can share strategies and insights with fellow traders. So why wait? Join the BingX exchange today and take your trading to new heights. Remember to input the referral code CHUCHU during registration to maximize your rewards and benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and tips in the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading, and see you next time.